thank you so much to everyone who is watching this amazing and inspiring story by Sangeeta ma'am. Today we have a wonderful action taker who had gone through the journey in ODCH, the learning journey. We have with us Sangeeta Naik ma'am, who actually comes from a beautiful town called Sundargarh, and right now she is in Delhi, but she has been consistently taking actions in this group, consistently participating in all the trainings that we do, and really would like to welcome ma'am. And thank you so much, ma'am, for all your loves and wishes. And welcome.
Yeah. So thank you for the introduction. And
Can you please
where I
let us
start?
know a little bit about yourself?
Yeah. So I come from Sundargarh, and my schooling was in Sambalpur. By the way, Lady Louise Girls High School. So when, like say, it was a five section and the most, like say, foremost school, the most important school in Sambalpur, the whole town of Sambalpur. So in the like say amongst 150 students, actually I used to come first. So everybody was saying, Sundargarh ଆସିକିରି କ'ଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କାଟିଦେଲୁଣି. So that was the first winning moment for me. There were smaller winning moments for me. So fast forward, like say I started my work since 1991, and I was in AC Nielsen ORG Mark Social Research for 12 years till 2002, and then I from social research to implementation I came, because everybody in the social research thing, everybody was saying, I used to ask so many people, researchers, if you put 5% more effort, then this will be 100%, right? So they were saying, you never did, right? You never did yourself. So that is why you are saying. So that is when it came to me as a challenge, and I took to implementation to see how hard it was to do that last 5%. So since 2002, till date I am in the implementation field, executing so many kinds of projects, like say, starting from watershed to affordable housing right now. So we are planning to have 37 crores of affordable housing for the bottom of the pyramid, the deprived group right now. So that is what we are doing. And since we, like say, single-handedly I did so many things. So fortunately, luckily, you can say, I got introduced to our mentor Siddharth Rajshekar's group, and Vivek Mehrotra is my immediate mentor. He identified that you are a leadership material, so you should become a coach. I was trying to do something copywriting or something. So like say, it was a momentous moment for decision for me. So I was like say, I was not able to speak till last 1.5 years back. I was not able to speak. I never spoke. I was never a speaker. So then I I took this decision to record one video per day. Like say, it was, if you see my first videos, those were all craps. So from that, I have been trying, and there is so much to learn, so much to learn every day. Yes, yeah.
True, true, true. Thank you so much for that, sharing that exciting journey. Actually, you have always been a pusher. You've always been pushing yourself. You've always been taking that initiative. And I think that actually makes you a leader. And all the leaders are also mentors, and all the mentors are also leaders. So now I think you're getting into the mentorship role of becoming a coach. So that actually takes me to the next question. I think you have
Yeah.
already told us what is the importance of public speaking, but still then, can you let us know how exactly communication skills is so important in your field of work?
Yeah, so because already I have worked across 16 states in India, directly or indirectly. Directly, I have worked in 16 states, 6 states. So one of those states were Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, if you go beyond 50 kilometers from Shillong, like say, there is no, like say, no no communication, no proper communication, no place to stay. So my kind of work actually took me to the remote places, and people who were, although the impression is like that people in Meghalaya speak English very good, but it is not like that. In the remote places, people actually don't speak, they don't understand, and we don't know Khasi language which they speak. So what how did I communicate? I stayed at their places, while Meghalaya people don't allow any stranger to enter their place. So how could I establish this communication? So it was body language, because those Meghalaya people are tribals. Tribals actually depend on not much on verbal communication. They depend on the body language so much. That is when I knew that because my intentions were clear, that is why I was allowed everywhere and welcome everywhere. So when you spoke about those same thing as a communication skill, it was done just intuitively, right? But here I was kind of connecting those dots. What has happened? So I so many times I come to your class because repeatedly I know, because I don't think any two classes are the same that you have given. So every time I come here, I learn so much. So, and the few things, if I can share what I have learned,
Please,
then
please, yes.
like say listening, speaking, reading, writing. No, I was doing listening, speaking, but reading and writing were not that much right now, like say in recent times. And the most one writes, the more one can speak. And this is a habit. And if you don't have that habit, then you don't have the right mindset. And you teach about mindset. And if you don't have the right kind of mindset, it shows in your behavior. And it is tangible. Everybody can see your behavior. Whatever you are neglecting, it is apparent to everybody, whether you tell about it or not. So that is what I have learned. And then you, like say, the exaggeration, humility, and overdoing. I can say I am a person with lot of humility still. There is a requirement of still more humility to be exercised. Unless you take these three together, like say you will not do anything. So that is the third thing that I have learned. Then the etiquette, I was so very careless, casual about my dress code and dress sense. So everybody was criticizing, why do you wear like this? No, there is no matching, no contrast, no sense about your dress. And so that also has improved, because I am doing not only expressing myself, but I am influencing people positively. That is what part of my work is. So unless I make an impression, so I am not going to communicate properly, right? And then because I have written down all this, because
Mhm.
I like say it
Sure.
takes time to remember, right? And then the fear, because I was not able to speak for so long. Now, because you have told, like say the key is, it is not about you, it is about the other person. Whatever you know, unless you speak, express properly, the other person is not going to learn whatever you have gained. So that is why I I am learning over and over again in your classes. Yeah, thank you.
Wow. I mean, really amazing. To be very honest, very rarely we get a learner who is really so deep and always I mean, who can take so detailed notes. You are really amazing, and with so much of experience, when you
Yeah,
come here to our classes, you are a fellow coach like me, and you still come to learn from a similar person for like you. So I can definitely say that you're practicing that humility. You're definitely practicing that non exaggeration and non overdoing. Really amazing, ma'am. Whatever points that you told, in the way you said. I think you literally summarized everything in just a few seconds. So that is really amazing. We are proud to have you.
Thank
I
you.
would like to ask you, Mushfiq, I would like to ask you that you learned all of this in level one, and we have invited you to join our level two program as well. What do you think you can expect from level two of ODCH?
Like say so much that I have learned from level one. I'm pretty sure that I don't know. I won't be knowing 90% of whatever you are teaching in level two. I might have heard about 10% of that, but I'm sure that I don't know about how it has to be practiced, right? So actually, I'm expecting everything to be new, everything for the first time for me, because I haven't actually never internalized learning in this way, especially the communication skill. So I'm expecting a new world to open for me. Yeah.
Wow, wow, what a beautiful way you said, a new world to be open for me, for communication skills, a different angle of looking at things, a
Yeah.
different kind of internalization.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I mean, you're an
Thank you.
excellent your expressions and your words are so careful. I'm really I think I am committed now to give you that level, because you are at such a level that I also have to increase my level to downpour that kind of knowledge to you. So thank you for encouraging that. Before we end the meeting, I would like to request you to give your one advice, one suggestion, one thing which you want to tell to the rest of the members who are still thinking. Sometimes people think that we still have to pay 99 rupees. What will happen in 5 days? All these self doubts and doubts that they have, not self doubt, I mean resistances that they have.
Yeah.
What would be your advice to them? ଆପଣ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ? ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିପାରିବେ, ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବେ, it's up to you, but whatever way you want to say. Yes.
So it is a self discovery. ଯୋଉମାନେ ବି ଯୋଉମାନେ ବି ଏଇଟାକୁ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଯେ 99 rupees is nothing absolutely free. So self discovery ଯଦି କରିବାକୁ ଅଛି, then join this class, because you don't know yourself as yet. ଯଦି ଟିକେ ବି doubt ଅଛି, then you don't know, so you will rediscover yourself, and in a manner that you will surprise yourself. And ଆଉ ହେଲା କି ଯେ ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ ଆମକୁ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ମିଳୁଛି, ଯୋଉ କୋଚ୍ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡିଂ ଆପଣ, like say they are rubbing soldiers with the best in the world, ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଟାକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟିଗ୍ରେଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲାଇଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ସୋ ଆଉ କଣ ଦରକାର? So if you go to some place, you will learn a part of it only. You will not get this integrated learning. So it is a holistic learning for you here at this platform, because you will go to coaches, you will get coaches, you might get something which you want, but you will not get this holistic learning, without which there is no learning. So it is better to jump into this level, and like say so much I have discovered myself despite this 25 plus years of experience. And so I'm pretty sure, so everybody, so whoever is there, experienced people are also there in my batch, also in the first batch, they all are learning. So it is not me only. Everybody is learning. So I'm pretty sure that whoever is coming, fresher, like say younger person, everybody will benefit from it, like say immensely. And so without any hesitation, please jump into this 99 ର କଣ ଆପଣ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି କେବେ ବି ଜଣା ପଡୁନି, ଗୋଟେ ପିଜା ବର୍ଗର ବି ଅଧା ୟାର ଡବଲ ପଇସାରେ ଆସିବନି। Why to hesitate? Please come, please jump in. It's a
Wow.
request.
thank you madam, thank you so much. ମତେ ଏତେ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ବଢିଆ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ, really overwhelmed. um
Thank you.
and thank you so much for all the inspiration, all the motivation, and ଆପଣଙ୍କର 1 minute video ଗୁଡାକ ପକେଇ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ. We all are getting inspired by your blogs, your articles, your videos. So please keep doing that. We are blessed to have such coaches like you. And as you said, कि से जो कौनसी भी अन्य ଜାଗାରେ you will just get a coaching center, but you will not get a community which gives
Yes.
you that combined knowledge of all the coaches.
Yes.
So
Yes.
ଆଉ ସେ କୋଚେସ୍
Yes.
ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି ସଙ୍ଗୀତା ମ୍ୟାଡମଙ୍କର ଭିଡିଓ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ, ସି ଇଜ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ ଦ କନସିଷ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ ଟେକର୍ସ. ପ୍ରତି ଭିଡିଓରୁ ଆପଣ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଶିଖିପାରିବେ. ଆଉ ସିଏ ଜଣେ ନିଜେ ଜଣେ କୋଚ୍, ତଥାପି ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର ହିସାବରେ, ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ସନ ଟେକର ହିସାବରେ ସେ ଭିଡିଓ ଗୁଡାକ ପକଉଛନ୍ତି. ତ ଆପଣମାନେ କାହିଁକି ନ ପକେଇବେ, ଆପଣମାନେ କାହିଁକି ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର ନ ହେବେ, ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ହିଁ ମ୍ୟାଡମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ମ୍ୟାଡମ, thank you so much for all your
Thank
time.
you.
Really, really
Thank you.
honored to have you in Odisha Digital Coaches Hub.
I'm blessed too. Thank you.
Most welcome.